Chapeltown in the parish of Ecclesfield in northern Sheffield has been home to industry, aristocracy and nature. Today it's home to a memorial hall, the Thomas Chambers Newton Memorial Hall.
Thomas Chambers Newton was the grandson of George Newton, who formed Newton Chambers with Thomas Chambers.
George Newton also founded Staindrop Lodge in 1806, named after the village of Staindrop where he was born in County Durham in 1761. Staindrop is derived from Middle English Staindropa, which is also derived from Anglo-Saxon Sainthrop, meaning stony village.
Thomas Chambers Newton rebuilt Staindrop in 1904. In 1946, it was taken over by the Board of Directors for Newton Chambers.
Thomas Chambers Newton died on the 23rd of November 1919 at 77 years old. He worked at Newton Chambers but was also a big part of the community, serving on Ecclesfield Parish Council, and he held the office of People's Warden at St John's Church in Chapeltown.
He married Alice Jane Budge in Cornwall in 1869 and they had 4 daughters.
Thomas Chambers Newton Memorial Hall was opened on the 10th of November 1923. This stone building was paid for by the firm and family of Thomas. It was opened and unveiled in a joint ceremony on the same day as Chapeltown War Memorial.
His sister, A.M. Drew, also gave Chapeltown Park to the public in June 1920.